Good day, my people. My name's Mountain Zion. A quick one to my Nigeria youths. My people, you see, today I want really talk about our Nigeria youths. I want make I expose some of our people to wetin they know they really see about this our Nigeria youths. Say that there be the problems wey we get for Nigeria. Most especially those one be like say they say call themselves the celebrity, or those one be like say they dey into entertainment industry. You know, and those internet bloggers, those social media influencer, I don't know how to call them. Those people like say they still get some more money for their hands. Because first of all of them individual for Nigeria, want they come out to they say they want contest for Nigeria presidents. They want to become the president of Nigeria 2023. See the other day, Joe Edochie come out. They say he want become the president of Nigeria 2023. In papa the bless and I don't understand what they read the happen for that Nigeria. I don't understand what they read the happen. I'm not against you being the president of Nigeria, Joe Edochie. But the problem I have with the Nigeria youth is that una not they want start from the bottom to the top. Una not they want start from the bottom to the top. Una want go start from the top. Una not want climb before una reach the top. Una want fly go the top. Okay, right away, you cannot attack without having a strong defense base. There is no way you are going to attack without having a strong defense base. Okay, what will be the attack right now? Nigeria is over 200 millions, over 200 million population, and the age below 40 years is about 70% of the 200 million population that Nigeria have as now. The age below 40, 35, 25, 18, 40, 45 is about 70% of the Nigeria population, which is the youth to be precise. Okay, inside that youth, the three arms of government for Nigeria, the youth not occupy up to 10% of it. The three arms of government in Nigeria, the youth are not occupying 10% of the seats. The executive arm of government in Nigeria, the youth is not up to 10%. It's not up to one tenth of it. The legislative arms of government in Nigeria, the youth are not up to 10% of it. The judiciary, the youth are not up to 10% of it. The youth say they want to take over power for 2023. How that one take dey possible, my people? I don't understand what they really happen to Nigerians and they are the youths for Nigeria. Those people who are the plans to go attack, to take power from, they are more well prepared than you guys. They are more well prepared than you people. Before they say when you dey young, when you dey grow young, your brain dey more than when you dey grow old, your brain dey go down. But I don't understand what they really happen to Nigeria youths. This one will come out, you see one be president of Nigeria 2023. First of all, so I don't get any defense base. You don't even have what it takes. See, Nigeria youth now, for our Senate House, for Senate, Nigeria Senate, the Nigeria youth in Nigeria Senate is not up to 10%. The House of Representatives, the Nigerians in House of Representatives are not up to 10%. Then even the state assembly, Nigeria State Assembly, the Nigeria youth in the state assembly is not up to 10% for your own state. It's not up to 10%. Even local government, Nigeria youth, we occupy the state of local government share might not reach 10%. Then tell me how I want to take over power. From the old politicians we don't dare since 1960. From the old politicians we don't dare since 1960. We don't rule as military. For military regime, we don't rule up till now. I don't understand what they really happen to Nigeria youth. Their orientation, their mindset has been kaput, as in they don't their orientation, their psychological orientation, the way that they think, I don't really understand them. Those are we get money for inside though, they know they think well. The ones who they don't get to, they know they think well. You don't even know the better ones among them. How can you take it? See, in football team, in sports, in football teams, no team go fit go for challenge or go for competition to win without any defense base. No team. Then no coach go fit lead any player to any cup, to any victory without having a defense base. First of all, they will first work on their defense. They go buy more players. Nigeria in the Senate, Nigeria no even, for example, now say Nigeria for Senate, at least they're up to 30. We just say 30 people, young ones. The age of 35 to 45. They at 30. Then for Nigeria representative, the age of 35 to 45, they at 40 or 50 people. Then for the state assembly, each state, as the 36 state for the country, so now, all of them as they get their state assembly, say yes, this one now they still dey at least. If na 20-day issue, say at least the youth reach like 10-10. Then the local government chairman, at least the youth reach like 10-10. Then when the youth they raise motion, then they support motion, and they say the I have it. The youth go see there among of the people, the I will want have it for the Senate House, for the State House, for the representative. No those one, all those parastatals, no one where the youth for they represent the youth for Nigeria. All they know how to do best. Now to they pick the words, as in the brokers who they happen from the executive, the legislative, and the judiciary. And for them to they pick them, till they do social media saga, till they build their followers and their popularity. Then they will come and they say they want to become president of Nigeria. Nigeria youth, what is wrong with you people? What is wrong with you people? What is wrong with you guys?